layoffs are rising, and I know it's
Sure.
sector specific. If you're someone who is sitting in an office somewhere and wondering and worrying, what should you do differently, Sharon, like starting right now?
So there's two things you can do. And I'll just refer to the book because it's probably the easiest way. So um, reflecting if you want to stay, but you're very nervous about, you can just see that the business isn't doing as well, that they're talking about a potential riff, that sort of thing. Um, every business has, and there's a whole list of things, but it could be something as simple as making a process better. It could be studying the competitor landscape and what are the competitors doing well that your business isn't doing well. It could be helping a department that's super busy and starting to attend meetings that are outside your department so that you understand where what you do could be of value throughout the whole organization, not just within the lane you are in. I would say if you want to not be the one they pick for the riff, become invaluable, right? So that's how people do that is asking the right questions or studying the landscape. What are the trends? Who is doing well when we're not? And what are they doing that we're not? And then become a student of that and then bring it in to the business. People love that. I mean, I love when people come to me and say, I've been watching other firms and here's what they're doing. And I mean, we do a ton of innovative stuff, none of which are my ideas. I mean, they're everybody else's ideas because they bring these ideas of they see other people. AI, okay, I know how to turn a computer on, but I use it like a glorified phone book because I'm old. I was not going to bring AI into this organization. I knew it from the minute it came out. But I tasked other people within my organization to understand it, learn it, and then show us how to make it best for our organization. Now, would I ever lay that person off because they're the only one that knows about AI? Probably not, right? So that's the stuff that I'm talking about. If you are hell bent, I'm leaving, I'm going to look for another job. That's when you have to really transferable skills, look at the market, understand if your market's not doing well. So for example, in '08, 9, and 10, I was very, very embedded in construction. And that industry was horrible. It wasn't even bad, it was horrible. We looked at ancillary markets. So we did power generation, we did solar, we kind of glabbed onto that. We did more engineering. We started in manufacturing because it's all process technical. So we started broadening that experience and broadening the scope. Um, either one is effective, but if you're going to be in a job search, you have to become a student of business. You can't just go, I'm going to send my resume here and they're going to love me. You have to become a student of why, what's the ROI, what business is doing well, all of that. Or you're
Mhm.
not really in a job search.